Hi, welcome to Blogging Mantra YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to install Newspaper 12 theme with premium license key. Also, you will learn how to speed up your website and how to create a beautiful website like that. This website is my website and I am using in this website GeneratePress theme. Okay, I will just explain you how to install license version Newspaper 12 theme. So you have to download or you have to buy Newspaper 12 theme from officially website this tagdiv.com, or you will charge I think $59. Okay, but in my store you will get a from 490 rupees only. This is $59 to add, but I will provide you 490 rupees only. So I will provide this link. You will go to my store and purchase this theme. And this is the Newspaper 12 news and WooCommerce WordPress website, best WordPress themes. This is okay. So I have already downloaded and bought these themes, and I just explain you how to install step by step and how to customize this Newspaper 12 theme in my website. Okay, so go to appearance, just go to appearance, theme section, add new theme. I have already downloaded this theme, so I just upload that themes in my website. So install now. It will take some times. Okay, activate, and after that you have some plugin to install. Okay, here is the two plugin. This recommended plugin, TagDiv Composer and TagDiv Cloud Library. Okay, so just install and activate these two plugins. Okay, this video will be taken some time because I will explain you everything in detail. Practically video I will making, so just wait for installation. Okay, if you have any doubt after purchasing from my store, you will contact to this number also. I will provide support for whatever you have. Okay, this is the installed, and just go to my license. You will get a license here. You can install these themes to up to 2 domains. Okay, and I'll provide the latest version of these themes. Automatically you can update your themes also. Check update, there is no update because I will provide you latest versions. Okay, system status, you will get a here registration key also. Okay, and after that you will go to plugin section. If you need any plugin just like TagDiv social account, you can just install. Okay, but this all are the optional plugins. Okay, if you need then you can install. Okay, this all the plugin are optional. This is optional plugins. Okay, standard pack, this is optional, but I need these themes because I will make my website beautiful. Okay, so this standard pack you can install. Go to plugin sections. This is the plugin section, and activate this both the plugins. Activate. Okay, just clear the cache. Okay, just go to my website right now. Internet is slow. Okay, So this is my website after install these themes. Okay, so I will just redesign this bit. Okay, so just go to your theme section, pre-build website, and here is the pre-build website. Okay, just go to here and install whatever your website. Okay, if your website is some news channel, news website, you can simply here magazine themes. This is the news themes. Okay, if your website some multi-purpose, you can get some ready-made template. Okay, and if you WooCommerce website, just go to shop and install that beautiful pre-built template. Okay, and if you have any other website like casino or any other like some job website, you can choose this template. So my website is suitable for this news channel, news because this is the good for me. And here is the two option: include content and without content. Okay, if you install, then inbuilt some post will be imported. Okay, so I never suggest this only design I want. So install this. Okay, after installing, you will get some new ready-made template in your website. Okay, installing. This is the beautiful theme for WordPress, and this is the one of the best themes for AdSense approval also. And it is a some medium weight theme, not a lightweight. Lightweight is GeneratePress theme is lightweight, but this is the medium. Okay, so just go to my website right now. After installed some pre-built template, you will get some new design. Yeah, this is the new design. Okay, so my website is fully customized. Okay, you can just edit something like about us. Okay, here you can put your thing. Here you can change some menu also. So I will just explain you how to do it. Okay, just go to your website, and this is the front end. Okay, just go to edit with tag div composer. Okay, now whatever you want to change, just click. I want to change the logo. This is the header is not editable but tag div composer. Please use a cloud header template. Okay, and here you can just click. You can change over here. Okay, filter which categories. So okay, so here you can choose which categories post will be show over here. So just I want English song, English lyrics. Okay, just here is the update automatically. Save all. Error, some error is coming. Just a minute. Content is successfully updated. Okay, just go to your clear cache, clear all cache. Okay, just open your website in Cognito mode, but before that you have to some plugin also. Okay, here is the some error is coming. I will show you. Just a minute. Go to there. Go to newspaper and plugin sections. Here we need tag div optional builder plugin. Back. Mobile theme I don't want. Activate. Okay. Now you can open your website, edit with tag div composer, not load template, which template you want, just add this. I want this one. Preview. Okay. Cancel this. You can edit here. Whatever you want to edit, just click here. And if you want to, this heading will be changed here. Lifestyle, not lyrics. Songs and Hindi. Okay. Edit it. I want to display some Hindi song, rap song. Okay, so rap song will be displayed over here. Here also house design you will change over here. Click here. Go to there. House design. This is the Hindi song. Hindi song. Okay. Go to filter. Which category you want? Bhojpuri song. That's all. Okay. This is the simple. Okay. Just click and edit it. Okay. So if you have any question, just ask to comment. I will provide you support. Okay. That's all. So this is my beautiful website I have designed in newspaper theme. Okay. You can edit over here also. Just go to theme section. Go to appearance. Element. No. Just go to appearance. Plugin. Deactivate this. Okay. Just open your website in window. Edit with composer. Not editable. Website manager or okay, just a minute. Pattern. Clear cache. Okay. So this is the beautiful website I have designed. Okay. So this is my final design. Okay. No need to any changes. Okay. If you need any other template, just go to your theme section here. Pre-built template. Okay. And you can install anything. If you want this, you can just install this also. Within a minute, your website design will be changed. Okay. Whatever design you want, you just click and install it. Your design will be changed. installing. After installed, I will clear the cache. Just a minute. My internet is slow, so that it will take time. Just clear the cache and go to your website incognito mode. This is the website. Never look. Okay, this is the new look of my website. No need to change anything. Just change here about us. Everything is okay. So if you need any help, just comment me. I will help you. Okay, and go to my store and purchase these themes in 90% discount. Okay, for 90 rupees only for Indian price. Thank you for watching and bye bye.